The while loop will loop through a block of code as long as the specified condition is met. Let's take a look at an example. We'll create a script that outputs the values of a variable as long as the value does not exceed 20. We will start by creating a variable to store our initial value. We'll call this variable I. We'll assign the value 0 to this variable. Now we can create our while loop. Here we've instructed our script to output the value of I as long as the value does not exceed 20. The while loop will loop over and over 19 times in this case. Each time it will output the value of I started at 0 and incremented by 1. So let's go ahead and save this file and preview it in our web browser. So we can see that the value starts at 0, that's the initial value of I, and it's incremented by 1 up until 19. We can modify our script if we adjust our maximum value to 40. We can now see that it goes up to 39. We can also adjust the value of I if we wanted to start the incrementing at 5. And that is how the while loop works.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.